Good morning everybody from Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. Yep, we decided to do a water park today because it's just so hot all the time, and Holly can now. And yeah, we're only here for a few hours and we're going shopping and we're doing Fantasmic again tonight. Buzzing for that.
We did
so good.
Do an update of what we did yesterday.
We didn't do an update of, oh god. Yesterday was just a blur. We tried some more food. We tried a lot more food. We watched Illumination.
I bought a twist of strawberries.
She oh my god, these strawberries. We went into the Germany pavilion and we went in the shops and I bought some sweets and we watching this woman do like dipping strawberries in chocolate. So Holly was like, yeah, okay, I'll get some of them.
Thinking I'd get like 3 or 4 at least in a time.
Yeah. So we get to the counter thing and Holly's like, oh, can I have some chocolate strawberries? And someone's like, yeah, there you go. $4.49 for one chocolate dipped strawberry.
And I felt like it was too late to turn back out of asking for strawberries now. So I asked for 2.
She bought 2. She spent $10 on 2 strawberries. I'm not over it.
I bought them.
She bought them. It was so funny. But no, yesterday was just a bit of a blur.
Yeah, a lot happened yesterday.
Yeah, a lot did happen yesterday.
What did we even do in the morning? Oh yeah, we woke up at like 12.
Yeah, we didn't wake up till like 12. Which I'm not ashamed about. Stayed up quite late. But no, now we're at Blizzard Beach. No, Typhoon Lagoon. There's a wave pool going off again. Let's see if you can see it.
It's good. I want to go in it.
Not really, can't see it, but oh well. I will switch to the GoPro now so you can see some of our adventures. And I'll catch up with you in a bit. Yippee! my god.
More fires now than fireworks.
I missed it. Oh well.